In today's fast-paced digital world, the dream of earning passive income online has become increasingly accessible. With the advent of artificial intelligence, innovative tools like the AI microproduct generator are revolutionizing how individuals can generate substantial income with minimal effort. The AI microproduct generator is an advanced AI-driven tool designed to create and sell microproducts on affiliate marketplaces. This system automates the entire process, from product creation to sales funnel development and listing on affiliate platforms. Remarkably, it requires only 2 hours of initial setup, making it an ideal solution for beginners and seasoned marketers alike who are looking to generate passive income without the usual time and effort. The AI microproduct generator handles every aspect of the process, from product creation to sales, without requiring ongoing input or management. This makes it a powerful tool for those who want to generate income with minimal effort. Unlike traditional online marketing methods, this system does not rely on paid ads, social media, or content creation. The AI's optimization techniques ensure that your products reach a large audience organically. The AI microproduct generator represents a groundbreaking opportunity for anyone looking to earn passive income online. Its automation, ease of use, and ability to generate significant returns with minimal effort make it an invaluable tool for both beginners and experienced marketers. If you're ready to tap into the power of AI and start generating income with digital products, the AI microproduct generator is worth exploring. Thanks for watching.